Welcome to Sklearning, the series of ADF questions. In today's video, we'll break down ADF, a powerful cloud-based ETL service for data integration. If you're new to Azure or data engineering, make sure to subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Let's start another question. How do you ensure data consistency and integrity in ADF pipelines? Validation. Use pre- and post-copy data validation checks. Error handling. Implement retry policies, logging, and custom error paths. Transaction management. Where possible, use database transactions to maintain data consistency. Another question, how do you implement incremental data loads in ADF? Watermarking. Use timestamp columns or change tracking to identify new or updated records. Change data capture. CDC. Leverage CDC where available for efficient incremental processing rather than full data loads. Another question, what is the pricing model for Azure Data Factory? ADF pricing is consumption-based and depends on pipeline orchestration and execution, charges for pipeline runtime and activity execution, data movement, costs for data transfer and integration runtime usage, data transformation, charges when using mapping data flows or Azure SSISIR. Review your usage patterns to estimate costs accurately.
Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to Sklearning for more informative content.